I'm Barry Durand with Green Home Systems, and I'd like to talk a little bit today about solar tax credits. Now, the word tax credit is different than rebate, so I want to get into the idea of tax credit. The federal government, if you're paying taxes into the federal government, they're going to actually give you 30% of the cost of a solar energy system back in what's called a tax credit. So I'll explain that in a second, but the 30% is pretty easy. If you paid $10,000 in for a solar energy system, you can get $3,000 back from the federal government in the form of a tax credit. Now, the idea of a tax credit is it's not a rebate. Not everybody necessarily will be eligible to get that 30%. The only way you're eligible to get the 30% is if you actually pay the taxes in. So for instance, if you work for a living and you've got a regular job and your taxes are taken out every couple of weeks or whenever you get paid, you know that that money is going into sort of like a little bank that the government has, right? So let's say over the term of a system, let's say you've got a $30,000 solar energy system. Well, you're going to end up with a $9,000 tax credit, but you would have had to pay in the $9,000. So like you're getting money deducted every couple of weeks. That stays in the IRS bank basically. So it's not like a rebate where you're guaranteed to get it. You have to have put the money in paying taxes to get that money back. Now, if you don't make enough money or haven't put enough taxes in, let's say you have a $9,000 tax credit, but you've only put in $6,000 in taxes, you've got $3,000 more you can take next year till you get that full $9,000 back. Does that make sense? It rolls over. So, any more information about taxes and tax credits, please see your tax professional. I'm Barry Durand. You can get more information at our website, greenhomesystems.com.